Hi everyone. I just thought I'd show you that Jessie has her little jacket on now, her little rain slicker. She wasn't really happy about getting it put on, but I think she was more worried that I was going to make her go back in the barn. And I think she's enjoying life too much out here. So, she has plenty of food to eat. I think I might just put her big blue hay barrel inside of her hut with some more hay in it. I hate to see her not have anything to munch on 24/7. But again, thank you people. All is good here. And spring is truly here. This time I really mean it. Thank you. Good night, everyone.